So guys, I've just washed my face. There's nothing on my face right now. It's very dry. So first thing first, I'm going to be applying the MAC Studio Fix Studio Max Strobe Cream in the variant Pink Light. So I'm going to be taking a generous amount and I'll apply all over my face and blend it really well. As you can see, this just gives a glow which is from within instantly. The moment you apply, it just melts into your skin beautifully and gives a beautiful glow as well, as you can very well see in my skin. It just feels very soft, and it's well prepped as well, so that your foundation sits better. And for primer, I'm taking the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and I'm just going to be applying it on the problematic areas where I have more pores, like on the nose, on the cheeks, a little bit on my chin, basically in the center of my face. And I'm just pushing it inside the skin so that it covers the pores that I have. So this also has a nice peach tint. And for foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I'm just going to be applying little bit on my face, on my neck as well. I don't tend to take a lot, guys. Just take how much ever you need. And I'm going to blend it all with the Beauty Blender. This Beauty Blender is from PAC and I've been really liking it. And I'm just blending it with the Beauty Blender. And guys, this has such a nice soft matte finish, which is absolutely beautiful. So then I think this is a perfect match for my skin tone as well. And this has a light to medium coverage. This doesn't have full coverage. It has a nice light to medium coverage, which you can build it up obviously. And for concealer, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I'm just placing it a little bit in the inner corners of the eyes, outer corner of the eyes. I don't want to take lot in the eyes, under the eyes, because I don't want to crease nose, cupid's bow, the chin and the center of the forehead, basically in the center of my face and the outer corner of the eyes. And I'm just going to concentrate in one area with a brush and just blend it. I'm not dragging the product on the middle portion of the eyes, just concentrating in the particular area and blending it, as I always do. So that prevents creasing. And to set the base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I'm just gonna very lightly powder the face, all over my face, very lightly. And doing this doesn't take away the the shine of the foundation. And for contour, I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. I'm just contouring the usual areas like my cheeks, my jawline, my forehead, my nose, the usual places wherever I do. And for eyebrows, I'm using the K-Beauty eyebrow product in the shade Walnut. I'm just filling in the gaps that I have. Nothing over the top again. Because I like my brows to look natural, because I do have dark brows. And for eyeshadow, today I'm using this Etude House Peach palette. So this is such a gorgeous palette. As you can see, it has all everyday colors and nice beautiful shimmers as well. So I'm taking this light peach shade and I'm going to put it all over my eyelids and crease. So this is such a nice everyday sort of color, guys. It's a very peachy new color, which looks absolutely stunning on the eyes. So I'm just putting that. And I'm taking this little bit darker pink shade. I'm putting it in the outer corner of the eyes and the inner corner of the eyes to just create a halo. Because when I put the shimmer in between, it looks a little bit like a halo effect. So I'm just going to do that. And this eye look is going to look very subtle and beautiful. So that's what I'm doing. I'm also putting it under the eyes, guys, as we did on the upper eyelids as well. So I have just done that. And I'm taking this light goldeny pinky shade, shimmer shade, and just putting it in the center of the eyelid so it creates a nice halo effect. So I've done it in both eyes and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's very very subtle guys, yet beautiful. And for eyeliner I'm using the Faces Magnet Eyes eyeliner in the shade black. I'm just putting it in the outer corner of the eyes. I'm just taking from the middle of the eyes and putting in a light, very very mild wing and just smudging it with the help of the brush, because I don't want my eyeliner to look very very dark. I want a nice definition though. So I'm just blending it. I'm just blending it with the blending brush. There's literally no eyeliner in the inner portion of my eyes, guys. So this is how my eyes look after eyeliner. It's pretty good though. And for blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. Mellow Wine, such a gorgeous shade. I've been obsessed with this shade because it looks gorgeous. And I'm just applying the apples of the cheeks and I'm connecting it to the forehead, because that's how these Korean women tend to wear blush, and it looks very very gorgeous and it looks like they're blushing. So that's what I'm doing here, and whatever is left out I'm also going to be putting it on my nose and on my chin as well. So that's how I like it. So I'm connecting it in the forehead as well. So it looks like it's very natural and you're blushing from within. So you can go overboard with the blush because they tend to have a nice blushed face. And before applying mascara, as usual, I'm going to curl my eyelashes with the eyelash curler. And for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Closer waterproof mascara. And I'm just giving a nice coat in the upper lashes and the lower lashes as well. And for highlighter, I'm using the Flower Beauty highlighting palette. So I'm just taking the golden shade, I'm just putting it in the high points of my cheeks, on my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, on my forehead, the usual areas. And this is such a gorgeous highlighter. And these Korean women have nice glass skin, so using this you can recreate it. And for lipstick, I'm using the Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Coral Corruption. I'm just applying a little bit all over my lips and blending it with my finger. And again, I'm going to take this MAC Lady Danger shade. I'm just putting it in the inner portion of my lips and blending it, guys, because it gives a nice gradient like all these Chinese and Korean women have. So I'm just blending it. And to fix my makeup, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus spray and I'm just taking a quick little shower. And I'm just letting it dry for like 3 minutes to 3 minutes. And this, guys, is the finished look. So I hope you all guys liked it. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and also please leave your valuable comments, because I love reading your comments. And guys, I'll hopefully catch you all guys in my next interesting video. Bye guys.